Alright, we all know that we need as easy pack up as possible. So the beauty of the Sunburst Eclipse awning is very simple to do. So first of all, let's unravel our strap that's been here for our camp. Then from there, we're just going to release these arms here on either side. From there, all that I'm going to do now is stage dropping these arms down until they're almost as flat as the ground, and then I'll slide these arms in. So I'll do that in a stage. So again, just to make sure I'm not putting too much tension on certain joints within the roller. That'll go down to that point there where you can hear that clunk in. There's a little bit of a bolt there that you'll see when you're packing it up. Get to that point there. Now it's nice and flat. You've released these arms. You've got your push button in here. You slide that down. That slides down nice and easy. I'll go and do the other one now. Okay. That part's all done nice and easy. So all the arms are in. They're relaxed, so there's no pressure on them. And now all we're going to do is we'll take the pressure off that your switch here to allow you to switch that up. Now, before you do that, just slide that across here to the middle. And also too, when you're actually letting the roller roll up, rather than just rolling it in one spot, move it along the drum a little bit, so that way then you don't get one big clump of the material. Nice and simple. Finish up in the middle, or as close as possible. There you go, it's done. There's no blood, sweat or tears. Now, getting it ready to travel with, we lock that in, we screw your sliding arms firm. Doesn't need to be over tight. Trust me, the wife always gets up me. I always do things too tight. From here, slide that in. Lock that so that's nice and firm. Don't forget your tool and leave that behind at the campground. You'll be devastated next time. Otherwise, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Hope I helped you set up your Sunburst Eclipse awning from Aussie Traveller.